Hi guys, today we are going to do a science experiment with Smarties. We are going to spread all the different color Smarties around the place. Next, let's pour hot water into the plate. When we use hot water, we use it under parent supervision. Smarties are coated in food coloring and sugar. That is so cool, the colors didn't mix. Please like and subscribe our videos on YouTube. Follow us for more videos on UMV blogs on Facebook.